Hi guys, today we are going to learn about synapse. Neurons are cells that make up your nervous system. So in between these neurons, there are actually tiny little connections called synapses. It is a tiny gap where two neurons meet, as shown in this diagram. This will allow your neurons to communicate with each other. So let's say this is the direction of electrical impulses. This is axon terminal, and the receiving part will be dendrite. So you can imagine the left side is actually one neuron, and right side there's another neuron. You can see that the end of the neuron enlarges into a synaptic terminal. As any other neuron, this neuron also contains a myelin sheath and also the mitochondria. And this is the presynaptic membrane. Pre means before, so the gap is actually a synapse, and the membrane right before the synapse would be the presynaptic membrane. This is the postsynaptic membrane. Post means after. So after the gap, it is a postsynaptic membrane. And the space in between two neurons is called synaptic cleft. And the protein that are attached to the postsynaptic membrane are called receptors. These are the places where the neurotransmitters will attach to later. Neurotransmitters are produced in the cell body of the neuron and then transported to the end of the axon terminus. At the axon terminus, the neurotransmitters are stored in these tiny synaptic vesicles so that they can be released when action potential reaches the axon terminal. So inside each vesicle, there are neurotransmitters, specifically named acetylcholine. Now let's look at how electrical impulse is transported across the synapse. So when electrical impulses reaches the presynaptic membrane, it triggers the synaptic vesicles to release neurotransmitters into the synaptic cleft. Neurotransmitters will diffuse across the synaptic cleft and bind to specific proteins or receptors which are attached to the postsynaptic membrane. So can you see here? The neurotransmitter attaches to the receptor. And this will generate a new electrical signal. After the neurotransmitter binds to the postsynaptic membrane receptors, it is either transported back to the axon or broken down by enzymes in the synaptic cleft. This is because we want to stop the nerve from keep firing. So as you can see here, the signals actually cross the gap using chemicals, and here we are talking about neurotransmitters.